Transformer noise can stem from several potential causes. Firstly, core vibrations. The magnetization and demagnetization processes within the transformer core can induce vibrations, leading to audible noise. Secondly, copper coil buzz. The magnetic field generated by the transformer can induce vibrations in the copper coils, resulting in a buzzing sound. Thirdly, leakage flux. Magnetic fields that escape the transformer core can induce noise in nearby metallic objects. Fourthly, oil tank expansion and contraction. Thermal changes can cause the oil inside the transformer to expand and contract, leading to vibrations in the tank itself. And fifthly, poor installation. Loose bolts or inadequate support structures can allow the transformer to resonate, amplifying any inherent noise. The question of whether the noise will diminish with increased load is complex. It is conceivable that the noise may lessen when the transformer is under load because the load could potentially dampen the vibrations. However, if the noise originates from a fundamental flaw in the transformer's design or manufacturing, it might continue even when the transformer is loaded. The variance in noise levels among transformers of the same type can be attributed to several factors. The other transformers may possess slightly different core designs, coil configurations, or installation conditions which contribute to minimizing noise generation. Also, they might be operating at varying load levels, which can influence the amount of noise produced. Several solutions can be explored to address transformer noise. One potential solution involves isolating the transformer. This can be achieved by installing the transformer on a vibration-absorbing pad or enclosing it within an enclosure specifically designed to reduce noise transmission. Another solution involves tightening bolts and supports. Inspecting and tightening all bolts and supports helps eliminate loose connections that could contribute to vibrations and noise amplification. A further solution involves inspecting for leakage flux. A gas meter can be used to measure the magnetic field surrounding the transformer, pinpointing any areas where excessive flux leakage is occurring. Shielding or rearranging adjacent metal objects may be necessary to mitigate the issue. Another important step is to test the transformer under load. Conducting a load test will help determine whether the noise decreases when the transformer is operating under normal conditions. If the noise persists despite these efforts, further investigation or even replacement of the transformer may be necessary. When considering replacement, it's important to assess the severity and persistence of the noise. If the noise is significantly disruptive and cannot be resolved through other means, replacement of the transformer might be the most appropriate course of action. Consulting with a qualified electrician or transformer manufacturer is recommended to accurately diagnose the problem and determine the best course of action. To elaborate further on the causes of transformer noise, it's helpful to understand the core components and their interactions. The core is typically made of laminated steel sheets designed to concentrate the magnetic flux. Imperfections in the core lamination or loose laminations can lead to increased vibration and noise. The copper windings carry the electrical current and create the magnetic field. If the windings are not tightly secured, they can vibrate due to the electromagnetic forces, producing a buzzing sound. The insulation material between the windings and the core plays a crucial role in preventing short circuits and reducing vibration. Degradation or damage to the insulation can contribute to noise generation. The cooling system, whether it's oil-filled or air-cooled, also affects the noise level. In oil-filled transformers, the oil acts as both a coolant and a noise dampener. Low oil levels or contaminated oil can reduce its effectiveness and increase noise. In air-cooled transformers, the fans can be a significant source of noise. Varying wear or imbalances in the fan blades can cause excessive vibration and noise. The enclosure surrounding the transformer is designed to protect the internal components and reduce noise transmission. If the enclosure is not properly sealed or if it is loose panels, it can amplify the noise. External factors can also contribute to transformer noise. Vibrations from nearby equipment or traffic can be transmitted through the building structure and into the transformer. Electromagnetic interference from other electrical devices can also induce noise in the transformer. When troubleshooting transformer noise, it's important to gather as much information as possible. This includes the type of noise, its frequency, and its location. It's also helpful to know the operating conditions of the transformer, such as the load level and the ambient temperature. A visual inspection of the transformer can reveal obvious problems such as loose connections, damaged insulation, or oil leaks. A vibration analysis can help identify the source of the noise and its frequency components. This involves using a vibration meter to measure the vibration levels at different points on the transformer. An infrared scan can detect hot spots, which may indicate loose connections or insulation problems. A power quality analysis can identify harmonic currents, which can contribute to transformer noise. Harmonic currents are caused by nonlinear loads such as electronic devices and adjustable speed drives. These currents can overload the transformer and cause it to overheat and vibrate. Once the cause of the noise has been identified, appropriate corrective actions can be taken. This may involve tightening loose connections, replacing damaged insulation, adding vibration dampeners, or installing a harmonic filter. In some cases, it may be necessary to replace the transformer. When selecting a replacement transformer, it's important to consider the noise level. Some transformers are designed to be quieter than others. Look for transformers that have been tested and certified to meet specific noise standards. It's also important to ensure that the replacement transformer is properly installed and maintained. This includes following the manufacturer's instructions for installation, providing adequate ventilation, and performing regular inspections and maintenance. In summary, transformer noise can be caused by a variety of factors, including core vibrations, coil buzz, leakage flux, oil tank expansion and contraction, and poor installation. Troubleshooting transformer noise requires a systematic approach, including gathering information, performing visual inspections, and conducting vibration analysis. Corrective actions may involve tightening loose connections, replacing damaged insulation, adding vibration dampeners, or replacing the transformer. Proper installation and maintenance are essential for minimizing transformer noise. Let's delve into more detailed explanations of the potential causes and solutions for transformer noise. Core vibrations, as mentioned earlier, are a significant contributor. The alternating current flowing through the transformer windings creates a fluctuating magnetic field within the core. This magnetic field causes the core material to expand and contract slightly with each cycle of the alternating current. This phenomenon is known as magnetostriction. The core is constructed from laminated steel sheets to minimize eddy current losses, but these laminations can still vibrate against each other, producing noise. The frequency of the noise is typically twice the frequency of the alternating current, so in a 60 Hz system, the core vibration noise would be at 120 Hz. Copper coil buzz arises from the interaction between the magnetic field and the current flowing through the copper windings. The magnetic field exerts a force on the current-carrying conductors, causing them to vibrate. This vibration can be amplified if the windings are not tightly secured or if they are resonating with the frequency of the magnetic field. The frequency of the coil buzz is also typically twice the frequency of the alternating current. Leakage flux refers to the portion of the magnetic field that does not remain confined within the core but instead escapes into the surrounding air. This leakage flux can induce currents in nearby metallic objects, causing them to vibrate and produce noise. The amount of leakage flux depends on the design of the transformer and the proximity of other metallic objects. Oil tank expansion and contraction occur due to the heating and cooling of the transformer oil. The oil expands when it heats up and contracts when it cools down. This expansion and contraction can cause the tank walls to flex and vibrate, producing noise. The amount of noise depends on the size of the tank and the temperature variations. Poor installation can exacerbate transformer noise. If the transformer is not properly mounted or supported, it can resonate with the frequency of the vibrations, amplifying the noise. Loose bolts or other hardware can also contribute to the noise. To address these potential causes of transformer noise, several solutions can be implemented. Isolating the transformer is a common technique. This involves placing vibration-absorbing pads between the transformer and its supporting structure. These pads help to dampen the vibrations and reduce the amount of noise transmitted to the surrounding environment. Enclosing the transformer in a soundproof enclosure is another effective way to reduce noise. The enclosure should be constructed from materials that are good at absorbing sound, such as fiberglass or mineral wool. Tightening bolts and supports is a simple but often effective solution. Loose bolts or other hardware can allow the transformer to vibrate more freely, increasing the noise level. Inspecting for leakage flux involves using a Gauss meter to measure the magnetic field around the transformer. If excessive leakage flux is detected, shielding or rearranging nearby metallic objects may be necessary. Shielding involves placing a layer of ferromagnetic material between the transformer and the metallic object to block the magnetic field. Testing the transformer under load is essential to determine whether the noise is load dependent. If the noise decreases significantly when the transformer is loaded, it may be acceptable to leave the transformer as is. However, if the noise persists even under load, further investigation or replacement may be necessary. In addition to these solutions, there are several other factors to consider when addressing transformer noise. The ambient noise level in the area surrounding the transformer can affect how noticeable the noise is. In a noisy environment, the transformer noise may be less noticeable than in a quiet environment. The sensitivity of the people who are exposed to the transformer noise can also vary. Some people are more sensitive to noise than others. The location of the transformer can also affect the noise level. If the transformer is located near a residential area, it may be more important to reduce the noise level than if it is located in an industrial area. When selecting a replacement transformer, it is important to consider the noise level specification. Transformers are typically rated for noise level in decibels. Choose a transformer with a noise level that is appropriate for the application. It is also important to consider the efficiency of the transformer. More efficient transformers generate less heat, which can reduce the amount of oil expansion and contraction and therefore reduce noise. Regular maintenance can also help to minimize transformer noise. This includes inspecting the transformer for loose connections, damaged insulation, and oil leaks. It also includes cleaning the transformer to remove any dirt or debris that could be contributing to the noise. Finally, it is important to consult with a qualified electrician or transformer manufacturer before making any major changes to the transformer or its installation. They can help you to identify the cause of the noise and recommend the most appropriate solutions. If the transformer is still under warranty, it is important to contact the manufacturer before attempting any repairs. Attempting to repair the transformer yourself could void the warranty. Remember that safety should always be the top priority when working with electrical equipment. Always disconnect the power before performing any inspections or repairs. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and safety glasses. And never work alone. Always have someone nearby who can assist you in case of an emergency. By understanding the potential causes of transformer noise and implementing appropriate solutions, you can minimize the impact of noise on the surrounding environment and ensure the safe and reliable operation of the transformer.